Okay, gentlemen, example number 4 says we want to rewrite these fractions with their least common denominator. Let's find that. To find their least common denominator, I need to factor the bottoms, okay? So this first one, there's nothing I can pull out, so the next thing I'm going to do is count how many terms there are, and there are 3 terms. So now I need to ask myself, is there anything in front of the x squared? And there's nothing in front of the x squared. So that means I'm going to have 2 binomials. This is x and this is x. And these 2 numbers multiply to give me positive 16, but add to give me negative 8. Okay? So that's that denominator, the first denominator factored. The same thing happens with this other denominator. It's going to be x and x, okay? And it's going to be minus 4 minus 3, okay? Now, I'm going to do something that I had started doing on this other video that I erased. Now, I'm going to take this first fraction and I'm going to say that that is now 9 over x minus 4 times x minus 4, and it's going to equal something that has the common denominator. Okay? What is the common denominator between these 2 fractions? Eric? It's x minus 4. It has to have that twice to make the first one. Do you agree? Okay. Now, to make the second denominator, what do I still need, Ben? X minus 3. I'm going to squeeze it in right there. So the common denominator has x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 3. Yes? Now let's go back to that very first problem we did in the examples today. What do I need to multiply this denominator by to get that denominator? Read. X minus 3. So I need to multiply the top by x minus 3. So that first fraction is going to look like this. 9x minus 27. Okay, smartboard, you haven't been helping me today. Okay. 9x minus 27 over x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 3. Okay, let's look at the second fraction. The second fraction was 5 over x minus 4 times x minus 3. Okay, but we need to rewrite it with the common denominator, which was x minus 4. Come on, smartboard. Seriously. X minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 3. Now what does this denominator have that this one doesn't? Alexander. Another x minus 4. Oh, I'll do that in a different color. Times x minus 4. So what do I multiply the top by, Alfredo? By x minus 4. So my numerator for this second fraction is going to be 5x minus 20. So now you see I've got these 2 fractions have the same denominators, and I could add them or subtract them, right? Which we'll do in the next section. All right? Okay. Good job, guys. I think you're ready for your homework.